Hey guys, so I know that this painting is actually like a week worth of videos ago, but I showed it out of order because I was so excited about it, and I'm still really excited about it, which is why I am doing another one today using different colors. So, same size canvas, this is a 6 by 12. This was the dry mallet smash. Um, where the background was dry. I had pre-painted it. Too bright, not crazy about it, so I will be pouring over this one. All right, so let's get you up here. There you go. All right. So the white paint I'm using is titanium white mixed with Floetrol and water for the background. And then I'm going to catch a little bit of it in this cup and add spot on treadmill silicone to it. And I'm going to see how the Arteza pouring acrylics work with swipe. I'm sure they will do just fine. So I've got metallic wine red, mid yellow, phthalo blue, and gold. And I'm going to swipe again using the plastic wrap that the canvas came on. Actually, I'm probably just going to make life easy and pour a little bit in here. And I don't have to try and get it in there. I don't know if I poured enough on here. So I've got a resin experiment in the works, which I will be showing. I don't know if that'll be first or this video will be first, but I wanted to see if resin would stay inside a hot glue gun circle. And the answer is yes, it would have, except that I then filled the resin up with glass chips, mere glass chips, and so the volume got too much and it went over the glue. Had I not used the chips, it would have stayed. So it was doing really well there for a while. I think I actually like it better now though, because it's a little bit more of an organic shape than the one that I quote drew. Alrighty, so here's this. Just gonna put some treadmill silicone in it, which you can get at the Amazon link that's in the video description. Stir it all up in there. Maybe I don't want the yellow. I don't think I do. trying to decide which way to. Trying to see which way it's naturally tilting. Very gently tilting it back towards me. I haven't torched it since I re-tilted, or swiped. I like the colors. I think it is done. I like it a lot. Love the colors. I'm so glad I did not add the yellow. Really, really happy I didn't add the yellow. Um, yeah, I really like it. I'm pleased with it. And just a tiny drop of, there's just one drop of treadmill silicone. So a little bit goes a long way. And remember, if you were going to resin a piece like this, you would need to clean it with Dawn dish soap first. But that's really only if you're resining. I have no issues usually varnishing them. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.